Hi Emily, Nate here with Spexton again, just reaching out to let you know that I have finished creating the ring that was lost in shipment, and so I'm going to do a quality control and size check before we get this guy sent out your way. So let's see, I'm showing that you ordered 8.5 and 8 millimeters, so let's go ahead and measure everything. And 8.5, sizing looks perfect, and then also I'm going to measure the width for you as well to confirm that. Is 8 millimeters wide. And that's perfect as well. So everything looks good to go. I have emailed the tracking information to you, so watch out for that. And then, of course, as I said before, if you have any questions, you can always reach out. It's sales@spexton.com, or also call me at 844-SPEXTON. I am going to pay close attention to the tracking on this, and I'll be watching it, so I don't expect anything else strange to happen, but I'll keep my eye out, and I'll let you know as soon as I see that it's been delivered. So thank you so much again for your patience on this, and I hope you love the ring. Have a great day. Bye-bye, Emily.